We've talked about insurance a bunch throughout our course and the rest of our content. We've covered liability insurance, contingent cargo insurance, and of course your surety bond. But how do you actually go about obtaining these policies? We get asked this question almost on a weekly basis. So it's about time we explore this with you. Welcome back, everyone. I'm Nate Cross with Freight 360. And in this week's video, we're talking about insurance, and specifically, how do you get it? If you're new to our channel, please go ahead, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to hit that little notification icon down below to make sure you stay up to date on our latest content. All right, our advice on this insurance topic is pretty simple and it's very straightforward. We recommend that you work with an insurance broker. That's right, a broker using another broker. The concept and the access to the market is precisely why brokers add value in all sorts of industries. Think of it this way. When a shipper needs a truck, they don't always just go ahead and call one trucking company hoping to get a truck. They use freight brokers because freight brokers can give them access to the entire market with just one phone call. The same concept applies with insurance. Insurance agents for companies like State Farm or Geico, they can only sell you one brand of the policy, their own. Insurance brokers, on the other hand, just like freight brokers, they act as an intermediary between the customer, which in this case would be you, and the underwriting insurance companies. So they're not actually writing the policies themselves, they're just the middleman. There's tons of insurance companies that are actually underwriting these policies for brokers, and you've probably never heard of most of them. That's why we recommend that you work with a trusted insurance broker to make sure you're getting access to the entire market of all these providers. Now, a good insurance broker will assess your needs as a freight broker and provide you with all the options to the companies that can underwrite your policy for you. Beyond that, they can reshop the market for you every single year to make sure you're not overpaying for one of your policies. Since they're the experts in the insurance world, they will help you pick out a handcrafted policy that fits your budget and the needs of your company and your customers. So how do these brokers actually make money? Well, they typically earn a commission for placing you with one of the insurance providers. You don't personally pay this fee. It's built right into everything. So the price that you're quoted for your policy is an all-in price. You'll usually find yourself paying less through a broker than you would if you went straight to a big company like State Farm or Geico. Why is that? Doesn't really make sense, does it? Think of it this way. The big companies out there that you see advertising on TV, they have massive marketing and advertising budgets. Guess who's paying for those budgets? You guessed it, you, the person that's buying their policies. That's exactly why a less known insurance company doesn't need to charge as much. They get a lot of their business from brokers and they don't need to market themselves directly to you as the consumer. So let's take a look at some things to consider with a broker. There are some final things I want to highlight here about insurance brokers. First, not all brokers are created equally. They're not all the same. The same goes for freight brokering. Some of us are good, some of us are not so good. Same thing with insurance brokers. Now, insurance brokers, they should earn your trust and your business. It's not just a given. So if you don't feel like you're being taken care of, the right way, or maybe you're not getting your phone calls returned or whatnot, maybe it's time to start interviewing some new insurance brokers to see if they might be a better fit for you and for your business needs. Next, make sure you understand what your broker can do for you on the fly. A lot of things happen very fast in this industry and have crunch deadlines. So if you need a policy adjusted or something special for one of your customers, will the insurance broker that you're working with be able to quickly assist you and get back to you right away? Lastly, think about this. There are some insurance policies that have minimum premiums, meaning you'll still have to pay a set minimum amount of money even if you cancel that policy early. And a good insurance broker should be advising you of this and the risk of these on-the-fly decisions before you go ahead and make them. That's their value add. It's the broker's job to add value to you as their customer in addition to just providing you with access to the market. So that's it. Just like brokers add value in the freight marketplace, insurance brokers do the exact same, just in the insurance world. So if you're looking for more content on insurance products, check out all the rest of our content and you'll learn all about surety bonds, contingent cargo policies, and much, much more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.